Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to make your leather seats like brand new again. So we have this Mercedes here, 2014 C-Class that we've been rebuilding. It was wrecked on this side. We bought it from a car auction. You can check the video out on our channel. It's really fast. And you can see that this seat is at the moment extremely dirty because we've been in and out while fixing the vehicle with dirty clothes. We detail the rest of it, but we want to show you how to make your leather seats like brand new again, and especially on a luxury vehicle, how to maintain them. Also, we have the video how to make the carpet like brand new. That spot is nothing, guys. You see that will come out. Check it out on the channel. So if you go close, okay, you can see all the dirt in the post of the seat. Okay, that's nasty. Look at that thing. Okay, you can see the dirt. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get tape and we'll do half of the seat. Okay, so we can show you what it's going to look like when we're done. So you can see we divide it like that. We're going to do half and show you the difference. So for this specific video, we'll be using leather cleaner and leather conditioner made by Chemical, guys. We buy them in bigger quantities, but you can find them in smaller quantities, and we'll have the links in the description of the video, guys. Check it out. So we get a spray bottle and we put some leather cleaner, and it's very important, okay, to have a pH balanced leather cleaner. You can see pH balanced. They use those on really luxury vehicles like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, things like that. So we've been using them for a long time and I'm really happy with them. They make them here in the USA, in LA, California. So we'll put some in the bottle. Okay, get it tight. Now we get some clean warm water here, and we're going to put the towel, one towel for the dirty stuff you see in the bucket, and another one microfiber towel that we'll be cleaning with. Stay to see how to use them now. Get some gloves when you work with chemicals, okay? And now with the spray bottle we're going, okay, to spray the seat, just the half seat that will be working. Okay, like that. This is the leather cleaner. Next we're going to get the wet towel. Okay, you need to get all the water out of it and we'll start cleaning. You might need to use a soft brush as well, depending how bad your things are. Okay, and you can see how nasty stuff. You can just check the difference even right now, like where we went already. It might take you 1 or 2 times for it to be perfect, depending how bad and how long ago you cleaned them the last time. So that cleaner, I'm telling you guys, this is amazing stuff. Nothing sponsored here, we purchase our stuff. I don't even been contacted by them or anything like that. We just used to have the detail shop for a long time, and I found those chemicals and been using them for a long time since then. Okay, so you can clean your plastics too around the seat. Usually they'll be dirty as well. People will spill things on them, and you can even use that to clean your seat belts, because they'll be nasty too sometimes. Now we get a clean towel. You need to clean everything. Don't leave it wet. It's important to get it clean so you don't have that dirt going back in the pores. Okay, and we'll dry the seat belt as well. Next, we'll be using the leather conditioner. This one is with vitamin E. It's very important when you use leather conditioner to have vitamin E, because this gives new life to that sun-dried leather. It's dry to the touch, natural scent. When you're done with it, we'll show you what else we do. So we get a microfiber applicator like that. We're going to apply a little amount on the applicator, not on the seat. So we'll put a little amount on the sponge now, and we're going to apply it to the seat, and you have to rub it in And if you can see how our leather has the little tiny holes, perforated or whatever you call that thing, don't put it directly on the seat, on the sponge, because otherwise you're going to clog those little pores, little holes, and you have to clean them again. So we're going to apply a little bit on the applicator now. Okay, here it's very important to get the outside one really good, because this is where you get in and out of the vehicle, and you always abuse this one the most. Now we're going to rub it in really good in the seat. That thing smells amazing. It's like you just bought a brand new vehicle. Clean microfiber towel, wipe everything again so we don't have any excessive amount. Okay, in the moment of the truth, let's pull the tape out. Okay, and we'll see what it looks like. Check it out how soft that thing is. Okay, compared to here, you can just see how my finger goes down. Okay guys, this is it. I think that's quite a bit of a difference, don't you think so? Let us know in the description below and the comments. Let us know what you think about it. If you like the results. Many more videos to come. Check out the cleaning the carpet video as well. It's coming to the channel. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.